The final product should look like this. You put all the features and aspects which I've kind of modified based on each customer review. I've taken long sentences into shorter, meaningful phrases, and have classified each of the responses into must-haves, performers, or indifferent or neutral responses, which I couldn't find any based on this customer review, and reverse or excess, and finally excited. So to give you examples of each category, a must-have feature is it should be easy to install. It should be good quality. And another one is ensure the pull-up bar can reliably support the weight specified in the product description, which is a must-have for that type of product. Some of the performers there was a leveler in that pull-up bar, which is actually an indicator of whether it's actually staying straight or not. So that I felt now it is me using this feedback, putting me in the shoes of the customer, and me thinking like a customer. So if you do it for yourself or your product, it could be you doing the same thing, and it could be different. But fairly, half of the job is already done by ChatGPT, and you're kind of improvising that response. A couple of delighters I could think of was it came with a leveler, and delivered in time was a delighter. And also kids love it too, and better than Cinnabars. So that was a delighter. Although this was sold for an adult, that person's kid was liking that. Some of the must-haves was instructions are hopeless, falls after a couple of push-ups, broke my door frame, stuff like that. And yes, the product photo of visiting was upload was an excess. I could put it in that category. It's the image could have been better, but some people may have liked it, some people may have disliked it. And too long to fit the door frame there were two types of responses. Some people felt it was appropriate size. Some people felt it was actually longer. That's why I put it in that excess category. But when you do it for your product, you can make your own decision about it. So that's what the model does. It kind of puts all the customer responses into different classes and will help you choose the parameters that you need to communicate with your supplier. Must-haves are must. It's not option. Performance or satisfiers are also a must. Although the last category, excited, I would add some of it, of course. If you can add all of it, you will, but it all depends on the cost and price of it. I will list a few CTQs. These are critical to quality parameters, which is actually derived from this Kano model. So the stuff I have listed are like this, and I put this as an instruction. You can ask ChatGPT to do this for you. List a few CTQs based on the Kano model. It will list them all for you. So what I come up with here is ensure the installation process is very easy and straightforward. Prioritize the stability and strength of the pull-up bar. Maintain a high standard of construction and material quality. Incorporate a padded rubber grip for user comfort. Ensure the product is strong enough to support user safety. Design the product to be preferred by users, especially kids, over other similar products. Ensure the pull-up bar fits perfectly within various door frames. Emphasize the quality and comfort of the pad or rubber grip. Enhance the accuracy of the included leveling components. I would stick to, ideally, as per rule of thumb, it should be between 7 and 10, but it could be, you don't want 20 items listed because I would confuse your supplier. And I will send this list to my supplier or suppliers, ideally, and I would get samples from about 3 suppliers. And then when I receive my samples, I'm going to use the same parameter to compare between products. And I'll pick one product out of it, or by comparing between suppliers, I'll probably ask one supplier to come up with a better product, and then I will finalize that product and I will put it to the market. So I've been using it, and for my products, it's been useful. One advantage I say is actually I take myself out of the picture. My thoughts appear, of course, but also I'm including customers' thoughts into it. So it makes the whole process a bit more scientific.
What you touched on is a pretty straightforward model that people can actually duplicate, right? To really figure out how premium their product is, or the strength of the foundation of their actual product. So I absolutely love it, mate. We got some questions here. That was awesome, mate. Really, really awesome.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one.